Good morning, class. I'm Mr. Clor Pinto. Today we are going to cover LCM and GCF. Uh, let's start by looking at the factors. Factors of a number are the numbers that divide the original number evenly. A number that is a factor of two or more numbers is a common factor of those numbers. The greatest common factor, GCF, is the largest common factor of two or more numbers. The factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. The factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, and 36. The common factors of 24 and 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. The greatest common factors of 24 and 36 is 12. GCF of 24 and 36 is 12, the greatest one. Okay. We can find the GCF of two or more numbers by listing out the factors of each and identifying the largest common factor, but this could be difficult when the numbers are very large. It could be difficult when the numbers are very large. We need a more systematic approach to find GCFs. We will find the GCF or two or more numbers using the prime factorization of each number and using a process nearly identical to the one we use to find LCMs of two or more numbers. Understood? Okay. For example, 24 is the least factor is 2, which is 12. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 2 into 6 is 3. So the factors of 24 are 2, 2 raised by 3 and 3. And then for 40, the least one is 2, will give us 10, 20. 2 into 10 is 5. 2 into 5, 5 cannot be divided by 2. So the factors of 40 are 2 raised by 3 and 8 and 5 raised by 1. Find the GCF exercise. Find the GCF of 24 and 40. This one, find the prime factorization of each number, which is this 24. The prime the factors are 2 raised by 3 and 3 raised by 1, and 40 is 2 raised by 3 and 5 raised by 1. So prime arrangements. 24, the factorization in the table. So 24 will give us 2 raised by 3 and 3 raised by 1 and 5 raised by 0. And 40 it will give us 2 raised by 3 and 3 raised by 0, and then 5 raised by 1. So the GCF will be 8, 1, 1. So circle the smallest product in each column. So the GCF of 40 and 24 is the product of the circled numbers, which will be now 8 multiplied by 1, and then also multiplied by 1, which will give us 8. So the GCF of 24 and 40 is 8. Note, the exponent represents the number of times that factor appears in the prime factorization. In the prime factorization of the numbers, we can find the prime factorization of the GCF. The GCF of 24 and 40 will be 8. 24 will be 2 raised by 3, and then 3 raised by 1. 40, the same. So the GCF of this both 24 and 40 is 8. Another exercise, find the GCF of 32 and 51. That's an exercise for you students. Another exercise will be finding the same GCF of 32 and 51. So in our next class, we shall start by that exercise that I have given you before we introduce another topic in our next class. Kindly do that exercise, and each and everyone must cooperate. Thank you for your cooperation in this class. Have a nice day. You can dismiss.